All right, this is one of the elevators at the Grand Hotel on Mackinac Island in Michigan. And it's an Otis. Let's take a ride on it. Here it is. Going up? Here we are at floor number 4. There's that, 4,000 pound capacity. Let's go down to P. Stopping on 1. Going down?
Yeah. How are you tonight?
I'm good, how are you? There you go. We'll go up to 4 one more time. Are you going up? What floor?
2, please.
Here's and
What floor?
3, please.
Thanks. You're welcome. We're stopping on 1. Going up?
The only way to go, isn't it? All right, thank you. And 4.
I guess. That looks kind of cool. I feel like I'll fall back out.
Taking off at 2.
I need
Good night.
9.
Sure we are. All right, so I have to ask you, taking a photo of the elevator?
I'm taking a video, yep. I'm part of a community that likes elevators, so I go around filming them.
You're gonna stop on every floor.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, you should work for Otis.
I would like to be one in the future, actually.
United Technologies.
Yeah.
Connecticut, where you live.
Where I live? Here in Michigan.
All right, how far do we go? That's it?
That's 4, yep.
All right.
That's the top, right?
And 1 down, yep, that's right. And 1 down the parlor.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yep.
Which one, top is what, the stairs?
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's the moon. Otis. So it's going up. Here's the certificate. We get our cab view real quick before this thing takes off. All right. I'll exit here. And that'll be it.